Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to An Thuong 30. Check this out, there's gonna be a bar over here, okay? A bar over there, and then you got Shamrock over there, and a bar over there. Maybe this will become the new...
And there's another bar.
Yes, Vertigo. So there are several new bars in this neighborhood. Maybe this will become the new bar street, Marcus.
Exactly.
What do you
but
think?
I have to show you something. Look
Yeah?
at my
Thighs? Oh God. Bro, we don't want to see this, man.
with these nice things. So,
Okay, have a good day.
and please subscribe and like this video because it's the best here in Da Nang.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's go. I want to see how many more bars there are. We have now Camellia Bar Lounge. Huh. What is this gonna be? Is it gonna be like a shady bar? A sketchy bar? I like it. You got pizza stores over here. Maybe this is gonna be the new nightlife area here because there's also Shamrock over here. If you need money, you can also go to Buck Service. This is also a very good place to change money. Buck Service. They have it here and they have it in Soncha. Buck Service. They do everything. I always hear good things about them. And look at this. So this is the Shamrock over there. And we have very long in the game Section 30. Section 30, it's gonna be good. Always. I like Section 30. I like that they don't have that loud of a music. I'm just an old man, guys. But yeah, there's a little bit construction still going on here, but the majority is done. So there were like 3 buildings they constructed, and now it's only 1 left here. They're brand new places. It looks pretty nice. I think this is also new. This is new. This is kind of newish. Lots of new buildings. A friend of mine also asked me about modern apartments, and I think those are modern apartments, guys. The Grace, this, whatever this will be, but this is gonna be a big balconies, guys. It looks very pretty. And we have a new pasta store. Pasta e Basta. Also brand new. I don't think they're open yet, but I'm excited. More Italian restaurants here. This is also a new apartment building here. This is a new apartment building. No, this is HB. Hold on. Huh? I don't understand. So this is HB, and this is HB Sapa. It's very, very weird. Okay, HB plus and HP Sapa apartment. Okay, also brand new apartments here, guys. And of course you have the Nomad Kitchen. Huh. This is also Del Mar Apartments with electric motorbikes here. Out of bikes. Wow. They're out of bikes today. Crazy. You got a pharmacy over here. I also saw an increase of the rental prices of the motorbikes. Kinda crazy. So this is the HB Plus apartment. Hotel apartment. I did a review there one time. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you too. All right, guys, yeah. This is a new apartment. So there are a lot of new apartments, bars, and everything here. I think this is a very nice neighborhood to be in. There are still construction sites, so be aware of that. But at some point, this will be all done. Like, this is also a brand new place. A little fun fact, this Angel Homestay, I remember 2 friends of mine stayed there actually, and it was always 4 million dong, the studio apartment, and it was so close to the beach. And now I think it's way more. I'm not even sure how much it is right now. But yeah, this is a very interesting looking building here with this new coffee shop down there. Coffee shop is pretty good, very fancy, bougie coffee, but yeah. I think this whole neighborhood, as you can see here, this is like the typical everywhere short-term apartments, like for 2-3 months, you know. This is the majority here. This is not like for proper living for long time. This is like the short time snowbird apartment place here, I would say. I don't think many people live here non-stop, just like Tayo. Tayo, if you remember Kenny, our good friend Kenny, he lived there as well for 3 months when they opened it up. But now I think they don't want to have it anymore. They want to have short-term only. So this is also, just this whole neighborhood is for tourists and for like 2-3 months tourists as well, I would say. You have hotels and everything. Then you have pickleball courts. Yeah, restaurants. Everything basically in a very close radius around your place. And this cool thing here, I don't know if this is officially done, but it looks very nice. Mural, it's not often you see this. I think they did a very great job. It's like cool, but still, it's like, this is an addition to the building, right? It looks super nice. Steintisch. Okay, that's the German word for the day. Steintisch. Stone table. The big bikes here. And I'm wondering if they're done now inside. I want to take a look. So you can play some pickleball. Then you can go to a bar, drinking, eating, and then when you're done, look at this. Super nice, the floor and everything. Huh. The only thing I don't understand is, you do everything new. Why are you not renovating this thing here? Or like just removing the fence and doing it new? This is the Le Quandao street here. This is the main street from this neighborhood. But yeah, I think there might become like a nightlife area. Before, the nightlife area was actually straight on and then to the right. Lots of bars were there. And they actually walked back and forth, but yeah, it's pretty interesting to have. Also, if you think about it, if you have 2 nightlife areas, you really want to have some shops for drunk people at night. If you know people walk always back and forth here, you need to have a burger place or something, or a hot dog place or something for drunk people. I mean, at the moment it's Ban Bao, right? So the Ban Bao guy drives around at night and annoys the heck out of the people because it's a typical food when you're drunk, and he always comes exactly then when you need him. You want to have a Ban Bao? You just have to wait on a street and they will come to you. And going from this little nightlife area here, the new one, there's also a little bit of a side street here. And then you could also go to the Chevy bar, which is also a bar. Now here you have Saga Da Nang. This is like an electronic, small little club, very small. But I think they have good music, and sometimes they have very nice raves there. I mean, it's usually at the time I sleep, but if they do something in the daytime, it's nice. I think if you want to have some good music, and I think it's still good. It was always good when I came here. They moved from the An Thuong 11 or something to An Thuong 4. I don't know if they can be that loud, you know. So they have to have a good soundproofing because it's right in the middle of all the apartments and hotels. This is basically the heart because you can also walk here. This is like totally different than anywhere else in the city. You have perfect walkways, sidewalks, pavements. And that's where I am. So you could also walk here, this little side street. Good morning. This little side street to the bar area there. And you can go out there. So I would say there's nothing really going on at night over here. Maybe the bunker. Not sure if it's still open or not. But the Chevy is definitely the perfect spot to have some beers, and sometimes they have very nice live music there and it's like packed. Lots of people in there. They also have a sports bar in there, so you can watch sports. I don't think there's much going on in this street. But yeah, Chevy, I think it's good. But yeah, it's like a bar scene, you know. There are nightclubs in the city center around the Han River, but it's usually dedicated to Asian tourists, I would say. But yeah, let me know in the comments. If you go out at night in Da Nang, where do you like to go the most? I'm not gonna go there anyways because I'm sleeping, but maybe I would like to know. I would like to know. I'm definitely gonna make a nightlife video whenever my best friend is coming, because then I will participate in this, and yeah, then I will also show you what's going on at midnight or very late. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.